Sean.
Bang, bang.
Damn, this your boy Get Right. You know what I'm saying? Bump Vision Television. Let's get it. Let's get it. But it's your boy. I'm out here, man. Have you ever felt like on times when the world was against you, it felt like every brick wall was set up just to block you, but in the end, you know what I'm talking about? You find a way to bust through that. You find a way to be stronger. You find a way to see a hater that much faster. You know what I mean? As you get older, you get smarter, and the closer I get to 30, y'all, I tell you, get right over here is getting right. And the things I see and the feelings I get from this life keeps me going. My family keeps me going. You know what I mean? My close ones, right there, keep me going, y'all. You know what I mean? So stay in this world, stay strong, never give up. And if you ever feel like you gotta give up, pick yourself up and carry yourself on, because you can only be down for so long, and then you got to come back up. It's your boy. I'm trying to tell you, don't let nobody keep you down or where you don't want to be, because this world is made for you and me. So let's go ahead and get right. It's your boy. Two things in the air. Bump Vision Television.
Sean.
Bang, bang.